If you have a 9 to 5 and you're over 40, you will be asking this kind of question, especially if you are interested in converting the knowledge you have into income. Important question is this: you need to understand the difference between what a knowledge is and what a skill is and what a knowledge asset is. Let me give you an example. A skill can be bookkeeping, but the knowledge people can derive from that skill is how small businesses silently destroy cash flow in year 2. Now think about this. How many people do you think that are currently in business that will be interested in knowing that, oh, I am silently destroying my cash flow? I need to know why. I need to prevent this. But this is from somebody whose knowledge and skill was in bookkeeping. Another person's skill could be project management. This person is exceptional in project management, but the knowledge asset there will be why projects fail despite perfect planning. Now think about this very well. A lot of companies engage in project management. A lot of companies see projects fail even when they are properly planned. And then they get this knowledge asset that tells them this is the reason why your projects fail even when it was properly planned. This is the thing that you need to understand between a knowledge you have, the skill you have, the experience, and how they all come together to create or to make your knowledge assets. It's very, very key, because without this knowledge assets, you can't position yourself properly for people to buy. I don't want to buy a book that tells me about project management. There are so many books out there telling me about project management. I don't want to buy another book telling me about bookkeeping. I wanted to solve a gap, a problem, something that is costing me, and I don't know that I'm losing money from this. And it will help me understand what I need to do. Now, this leads me to the most important question. What is that knowledge you currently have, and how do you extract that knowledge, especially the one that is in demand, that people are willing to pay and people are willing to pay again for you? Because imagine I am a project manager and I create an ebook that helps people understand why projects fail despite perfect planning. The question is this: if that ebook does very well, somebody might decide to have a one-on-one session with me. If that one-on-one session works well, somebody might decide they will need to partner with me on a specific project. Can you see the ascension? Before you know it, what's your skill or that your knowledge is bringing you more income than what your salary ever did. I've seen people, in my own case, I was generating my monthly salary as a group manager on a weekend. So just imagine this. Every month I work from Monday to Saturday, and I spend an average of, let's say, 12 hours at work. And in just one Saturday I can generate 3 times my salary every month, simply because I understood that my knowledge, or the knowledge I have, has to be packaged properly. So how do you identify this knowledge you have and how do you package it properly? I've created what is called a knowledge to income calculator, and it helps break it down. It's a simple process. All you just need to do is copy this prompt and you can paste it into chatgpt, which is free. Paste it into chatgpt and it will take you step by step to help you identify which knowledge you have that is profitable and which one is no, don't do this. This one is profitable, focus on this one, don't focus on this one. It will break it down and tell you the potential audience, those that are interested in buying it, and how you should package it. Just click the comment section and you can download it now.